Want to snag that must-have item on Amazon without breaking the bank all at once? I'm here to show you how to use Sezzle, the Buy Now, Pay Later service. To make your Amazon purchases way more manageable, the first important step involves understanding that Sezzle can't be directly used during Amazon checkout. We'll need a workaround, which involves using Sezzle to purchase an Amazon gift card. First, head over to the Sezzle app or website and create an account if you haven't already. It's a quick sign-up process. Once you're in, use the search bar and type in Amazon gift card. Sezzle partners with various retailers to offer gift cards. And it is important to note that Amazon is not an official partner to get an Amazon gift card through Sezzle. You will have to find it from other retailers that Sezzle works with. For example, Gift Card Granny and Prizzy offer Amazon gift cards through Sezzle. Look for them on the search results and select one. Okay, decide on the gift card amount. Keeping in mind the total cost of the items you want to buy on Amazon, it's better to slightly overestimate than underestimate the price. This way, you can shop for everything without any issues at the amount you need to your card. Now comes the good part. Proceed to checkout using Sezzle. You'll make your first payment upfront, and the remaining amount will be split into smaller, interest-free installments. Complete your purchase. After the purchase is confirmed, you'll receive your Amazon gift card code. Copy that code. Head back to Amazon, add your desired item to your cart, and proceed to checkout on the payment screen. Redeem your gift card by pasting the code you copied earlier. The gift card value will be deducted from your total amount. If there's any balance left, you can pay normally using a credit or debit card now. Just complete your order. And that's it. You just use Sezzle to shop on Amazon. Enjoy having more financial flexibility with Sezzle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful shopping tips.